What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Works. Today we're gonna be finally primering my E30. Pretty much gonna be the last time it's ever going to look like this. I do need to do a couple of things before we get it going. I need to put back the seatbelt and I need to put new control arm bushings in, because when we replaced the control arm, the old bushings were completely shot. We obviously didn't even think about that, but now we got CondorSpeedShop racing solid bushings, so that's really fucking good. So I'm really excited, and these things are going to be going in later, but just wanted to show you guys what we're going to be doing pretty soon. These are engine risers from Condor, and pretty much it just lifts the motor and raises the oil pan right above the subframe, just so it doesn't scrape. Normally, whenever you have the rubber bushings, they obviously tend to wear out over time, and they do fail a lot, especially on BMWs. With my E46, I had that issue too, where the steering wheel would be jerky at stops, and that's a common problem because what happens, the rubber fades out and there's so much play, so you can literally see the wheels move forward when you brake, and that's normally how to see if they're going bad. But since these are solid, it's actually not that hard to put on, so I'm going to show you guys that right now. But there's going to be no play, and that means the steering is going to be precise, and I'm not going to have to be replacing these just like you replaced the rubber ones. But right now we're going to jack it up real quick because Junior is coming right now. He's going to be helping me take it over to my uncle's shop just so he can primer it down, and then we're going to bring it right back. But we are missing a windshield, and that's because we removed the sand in here and we actually cracked it. I don't know if you can see that right there. But I am going to be getting a new one, and they sell them for fairly cheap, especially here in California. I could buy one from a parted out E30, and I am going to be getting all new bumpers, all new trims, so it's going to be a slow process, but this is the first step to getting it going. So right now, let me just jack up the car. With the control arms installed and everything hooked up, aside from the bushings, you can see there's so much play back and forth, and that's all from that bushing. So if you look down here, you can see that it is missing it, so that's where we're going to be placing it, right there. And a tip is to just put dish soap inside here, anything that will lubricate it, and then just put it in as far as you can by hand only, and then you can use a mallet to hammer it back in. Probably use a socket that's bigger than this, so when it comes out I can still hit it, because this is obviously hitting it and just making it flat. So I'll probably put like a 21 or a 22 and then just keep hitting it. So after about like 5 minutes of hammering it in there, it kept getting tighter and tighter the farther you went in, and I'm fucking sweating just trying to hit it. And I finally got it in with just WD-40 and a mallet, and now it's just time to push it in and then put the 2 bolts in. It is finally installed, and the bushings look so nice, especially the white powder coat. So I should probably get new bolts just because that doesn't make it look good. But I'm fucking sweating just putting that bracket on, which is fucking... I did get out of work right now, so I am pretty tired. But I'm gonna be doing the other side. I probably won't show you guys that, just so I can knock it out faster. And then that's when my cousin's going to be showing up to take the car, and it's gonna be pretty funny driving it like this. I don't know if it's legal, but as long as he has a seatbelt on and we have the lights working and we have the license plate on, we should be fine. But finally, this side is complete. The car is finally ready to go. I did dust off the driver's seat just because I don't want all the Bondo and the paint to just go all over him when he drives it. So Now I'm just gonna be turning it on, letting it warm up because it hasn't been driven in probably like three to 4 weeks. That is my blinker going haywire because I don't have anything installed. Let's see, e-brake on. Boom, installed. I do have really low gas, so I'll probably have to go and put gas in it. But it did turn on and it sounds good, so we shouldn't have any worries driving it over there. Just obviously missing windows. Hopefully we don't get harassed. I can't wait to actually drive this car once everything's put on, just because the whole suspension's brand new and I am going to be buying more suspension goodies before I even actually get to drive it on the street once it's painted. So shout out to CondorSpeedShop because they're going to be my go-to people to order any bushings. I'm really hyped, and I am going to be getting their trans bushings, their diff bushings, all that good stuff, just so there's a refresh on it. And I am going to be getting the softest poly there is because they do cause vibrations, and that's why I'm going with stock engine mounts with their engine risers, which are metal. And then I'm going to be getting poly, the softest poly for the trans and diff, and just trying to upgrade as much as I can. But I am going to be swapping this car, so I'm going to have to be moving things around. But if I keep it BMW, I won't have to replace too much, and I can obviously get other BMW bushings to fit this car from CondorSpeedShop. So the only thing that's really holding me back is how low the oil pan is. As you can see, it literally sticks out from the subframe about, I would say, close to an inch. Surprised the windows work, but let me see. Boom. So the steering's good, and there's actually a lot more responsiveness. Literally lost brake pedal, kind of scared me a little bit. I don't know if you heard the pause, but yeah, that does not sound good. God, I'm terrified. Let me see if I just roll back. Yeah, I think the caliper, the piston inside the caliper had to seat properly. God damn, that scared the fuck out of me. There's dust going everywhere. It's getting all over my eyes. Good thing I'm just in a neighborhood. Everyone's probably fucking staring at me because this car is a piece of shit right now. God, everything's getting in my eyes. Hear my brakes, bro?
Yeah. I don't know what it is, fool.
I don't know what it is. Are you sure you're gonna go without glasses?
Yes, fool.
Whatever. Hey, he said it. Who's gonna get all fucking blind and shit? Bro, the oil pan's so fucking low. Holy shit, dude.
Am I gonna make it?
No, you're gonna hit the oil pan. Yeah. Well, this is probably the day I blow my motor, bro, to be honest with you. Fuck, bro.
Static gang, bro.
Static. How was it?
Hey, dude, this shit drives clean.
Yeah? You broke Matt Nick not because it looks good, just because it
full. It looks good. Full. For being the way it is, it looks good. Trust.
Hey, bro, that's crazy that it rides so nice. You just had to fix up a little few spots, huh? Yeah. Right there.
Right there.
It's all messed up, ready to go. Martin calling me. Look at him. Big head ass. You need that one?
Yeah, right here was a little wavy. Over here.
So not even that much then?
No. A little wavy right here.
Right there. And then where else?
That's pretty much it. And then we just blow it off, prep, clean it, and then start shooting the primer. Alright, so we blew off all the cars, so now what we're going to do is prep it with some prep ball.
So what does that do?
I'm going to wipe it down with the prep cleaner, and then you're going to go over and dry it with that second rag.
So what is it, kind of like alcohol or no?
Yeah, it's to get rid of all the grease and all the grime that's on the car, so it doesn't get fish ice on the primer. And it sticks, son.
What's up?
You're recording today?
Yeah. I have to make a video for them.
I look terrible.
It's okay. She's sick right now.
So now we're gonna mix the primer. We have the primer, the hardener, And then the ratio, it's 4 to 1. So I'm gonna put right here a primer and right here a partner. Hands over there. Right here. We're gonna do 4 to 1 on the 7.
It's yellow. I feel like compared to other people, even other big YouTubers doing like paint jobs, I feel like we're taking a whole step. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like, I mean, obviously they probably didn't want to spend
as much
much time too. But like, we're actually going to the extent of doing this. I mean, obviously we did it ourselves, but
it's a lot of work, dude. A lot of work.
He knows.
It takes time and money.
Hey, and patience, which we don't have.
Patience is the key.
It's official. Just getting you ready. Alright, so you guys ready to see it? We should have showed them. Well, they already know it was the black primer, but this is how it looks right now.
So it has guide code, gray guide code.
Yeah, so let me give you guys a walk around. And when I was seeing it, when you spray primer, it's glossy at first, but it looks really straight. There's no fucking dents. But it's finally fucking primered with the first layer, but a really thick layer. And the reason they do that is just so it gets straighter. As you can see right here, this is, I don't know if you can see in the glare, right there. Right there. That's where we added putty, and that's why we do a thick layer, so when we sand it, it goes all the way. But right now, it has all this white guide coat.
So when we
and
block it.
Yeah, so it's pretty much how we did it originally and when we first started sanding it. So this is just another time. And the reason we're doing that is just to make it really, really straight.
Straight as fuck.
Straight as fuck. But it's finally one color and it looks so fucking good. Like, it looks so much better than when it was like fucking 6 different colors. I know. That should be nuts. Today? Should we risk it? Fuck, I don't know. But look at that shit. Oh, so fucking happy. It's finally done. It's the next morning and I didn't get a chance to end the video. So I'm gonna do it right now, right before class. But honestly, looking at it now, it just blows my mind because it's a different color finally, and it's I can't reveal the fucking color to you guys, god damn it. But it looks really fucking nice, and now we gotta let it sit for a little bit. And obviously I don't have anything over it because it does need a cure. But once it's cured, I am going to be putting some, I believe, 320 grit on it, and we're gonna be blocking it all over again, and then we're gonna be primering it again and then blocking all over again. I won't show you guys the second primer just because we have already done this one, but this is the main one and we only need one more, I guess, and we're good to go. And as you can see, it looks really fucking straight. What do you think, Static Germ?
Still a piece of shit.
Hey, it's not an LS?
Fuck yeah.
Respect.
LST56 all the way.
Shut up.
Hey, you have to admit, that would be a bad bitch.
It would be, but it wouldn't. I would have to upgrade everything.
Yeah, you'd have to go with a whole new rear suspension, front suspension.
Have to weld in some of the suspension parts because they'll snap.
Yeah, but at the end, you have a 2,500 pound car with a fucking LS.
Yeah, but TJ.
I would be fine with the TJ.
Yeah, you guys don't understand. It was fucking so close to hitting. I had to get out of my car and guide him in at certain angles just so it didn't hit. It was so fucking close. So definitely before we take it again, within the next week and a half, we are going to be raising the motor. So I'll probably be doing a video on that, showing you guys who have lowered E30s what to do if you want to slam the shit out of it. But it's finally coming together. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys in the next one.